this is a democratic country, this is a republic, people's government ni leibasi people's ki leiriba representatives singduna shasan toba adugumba praja gi shasan toba number republic siade self determination haiba potse self determination si yamna लाना अर्थ हंदोपसु अखोगी ऑटोनॉमी लोगे हाइरिब्रा सेसेशन तोंगान सखरगे हाइरिब्रा गायना अदुगी स्पिरिट टू द नतबा अइना ngasa हाइरिबा people's peace harise ko aduna in case akoina manipur gi problem sida conflict triangle se address torga solutionship poroxi na haiba tarbordi beyond authoritarian state set kharkanda akogi praja singna local gi people yaudabada akogi peace si conflict resolution da masi factor oiba port ase masi porok pasungya yaroi aduna ikoi self determination haiba port satena te praja yaholu and that to local people say moi involved torokanda sarkar ne impose to wadum makal gi foreign body man hetala akanda siniko na koi gi aidana solution ama pibadu di yaroi manipur gi soidana masi gi port sida lakani we should be very optimistic optimistic note amada yamna positive we note amada aina loisal haningdana masi process suggest to bani conflict triangle the people's peace yam darkar lei
but that is isn't yamna well experienced bureaucrat ni aduga hanadi kagadi as in legislature in like bureau of ni ai kagada lakchaning baze aram by tengol na somehow handaki governor sida natragana president rule sida confidence am leibra अखोगी हाना लेरमिबा apprehension मैम अमा अरामबाई की main ओइबा question अखोगी मणिपुर की लेरिबा खुंगंग मैम जे की security मदि protection जी government fulfill तोबु ngamde अदुमा जे government protect तोबु ngamde अदुगी दमक voluntarily थोलपनि हाबगी ओइबा justification अमा लेरमबजे मसे खुलाई थादोकबा होरकबजी just goodwill लमो इन लौदोइरा नत्रगना is it also अखोगी confidence to the government of Manipur especially to the governor gi the confidence my commitment to the confidence am living in the uwe abra kari happening
hujiki arambai gi role manipur da ing batapa aduga order maintain tobada moi gi responsibility si aikoi loina prajapuna mangna ure last 10-15 months adu sigi matang sida what is important in asum kanjabasi bharat ke constitution sida magi hek ahan bade yauriba preamble se masida aikoi basic structure edana masida objective khara fajana lay down to we maruda hairi se justice achum bai base phangan gani liberty magi ningkha tamba mioiba amagi say for example when I say liberty masi logi oiba natraga judiciary gi oiba process to the aduda ai gi ningkha tamba se pigani kanagumam tana ai se repressive method sizin naraga ort neraga natraga kihellaga aina ai gi liberty se manghan ba yaroi haibugumbani then again equality se amaga khenaba ama fawbul leite haiba siga then again yamna interesting oiba point amaga objective se de yaurisi aikogi fraternity harisi fraternity si it means quite a lot magi implication sidi samna hairakanda aikogi mioibagi dignity se it's only when aikoi different communities the labor or natraga different sections of the society the labor individual ka or natraga organization pudamak se makoi singsi nungsi chanana lerakanda amana amaga respect tonarakanda magi dignity do madu leiba matam do adudani fraternity gaidana masida hairiba porse now the challenge is aikoi constitution na piriba magi basic structure se objective singse masi fulfill toba ngamdabagi situation duni aikoina manipur da ngasi thengnara iba porse so that is why we often speak about total or absolutely aikoigi constitutional machinery se manipur da di masi fail oire have se mafam tongan ba personality singna including the former chief justice of the Supreme Court of India mana hairame ado hojiki manipur gi leriba situation sida aikoina hoji uriba porse it is not actually international oiba adu mamakal ki conflict nate hedna ide understand tawi it is intra-state conflict ni actually di ko maruda aikoi na thengnari besi resurgent nationalism like separate administration masi PU aikoi da haidana certain communities ki marakta gi group amana including some legislators moina ga demand toriba port se moi ge saruk sakthung PU because we seem to have been ignore toraga neglect torakanda unrepresented community or male ga have moi ge adum grievance kare express to male say for example democracy da koi na guarantee toriba port se devolution of power si tongan mapam sing si the balance growth si porok na bohana matam da Bharat ke Samvidhan na pirambagi matungina local government se tongan ba bodies the institutions sing the legal institutions sing the kwen sinai ko autonomous district councils 2015 the election tokiba matung dagi hojik phawa makoi si singi area sing si the autonomous district council sing si functional oidre then panchayats functional oidre municipalities functional oidre then adu oragadi makoi gi praja sing si gi pendaba madugi moi gi right se forfeit to boga chap mana bai tare represent to bogi opportunity do makoi da pida basina aduna constitutional failure si masigi port se lakpa kanda manipur da leriba situation se asidani akoi gi aramba akoi gi then su gi khangde mai khangde hoina ne ne se
particular oina ai ngasai congress party gi statement je da ngasi ayamba ikoi ngasi to godam discussion se ai madu su loi lak sake dialogue makha tar pada kaka particularly ngasi gi aramba ina khulai hand over to bogi masigi event se kaka kamaina kaka na interpret to
see that is where I say constitutional failure la ko matam dadi aziki leriba situation se da state ki institution punamak se loina collapse to aduga state ki leriba forces khangde magi like adugi makhu state su protect to godoriba madugi agency sing do functional oiba ngamaktre ba makoin defend to ba ngamaktre aduga makoi dagi hena kanba tongan ba masigi da moisi handaki aina resurgent nationalism hariba attack to ise khoida ko agugi internal disturbance ma ka create to ise masigi force da finance ka toriba se koina ngang da matam sida global network of arms ka adugumba then minerals the base to ba then drug ki cartel me amana finance to sila kan the hen moigi mapangal si kan ba port oina leirak pamatam si the government sina thengna bang maktabani it's a new the experts in a define to kan the it's a new kind of new word war hai tongan new word ne na ko na hai maru civilian sing se loina victim oirakpa aduga ki humanitarian emergency mayam se loina to kanda in 60,000 people displaced person or kanda yamna massive oiba du mamakal gi camp sing daga thamjilakna lere iba then so many human precious lives masi mang kiba aduga paralysis of the governance sidani ngasai gi role se when the law and order is breakdown ki situation ma create torok matam dadi civil society singsidagi mama lebak nungsiba natraga se for example different countries the prithvi gi leba tongan ba lebak sing de yam chawkhat pa powerful leba countries sing de su conscription naiba asigi practices chatnei se able age group amakakta leiba adugumba able person sing se the saying the weapon training se se war gumba situation sida conflict situation sida makoi se handle to bang amna ba participate to bang amna ba my nation do kan bang amna ba idamakta makoi se requisition to kana for example Israel ko asiga se to even America then England sigulary ba posting sida conscription ga na koi mamang again ning thosing su yam interesting ni lalup kari sai masi oirong ne na khali they requisition the services of the layman people ko makoi se karumba conflict situation si lak matanda that is where when there is breakdown of law and order state ki institution punamak loina fail by humanitarian emergencies loina thoba aduga anarchy heba lawlessness sina masigi lerak pa matam sidadi civil society da leramiba especially youth ki population hai tare ko belonging to a certain age group amakakta leiba sing se makoi da mamage lebak tu gin nungsiba asigi porsi lakpa matam da lebak si defend to matam da different means hai batare ko it may be ekoi law da dia dega so hai badi yai but at least makoi ge responsibility se lebak ngak na bagi matam si da kulai pai ba se masi torok puduni so therefore hajik ti after the resignation ekoi ge popular government si later ba matam si da suspended animation to ki ba matung dagi di ekoi ge government ki responsibility si ani ne ekoi gi si ko state ki duty sina order maintain to se public order maintain to se state ki responsibility ni state ki subject ne haire adubo state tu na magi mafam madu da public order to maintain to ngamak traba internal disturbance control to ngamak traba madam dadi it is a responsibility of the center union government to na state to protect to by simoi gi mathau ne hairi to aduna si lakpa matam dadi hojikti that situation has emerged aduna matam du da maskoi gi arambai gi han independently yamna organized way natabada different strategic locations ta ekoi gi imale bak singak to ya de hedna leramba singsina a time has come haina moi feel to ba mali it's all right maram di ekoi si lallama hai tare khulangam ba kapam ba lawrom mayam si khara chum tab tharak basu u basida then intervention of the government singa sai gi state ki mathau si ngamak traba matam dadi center na masingak kani have si gi responsibility se kan sai gi hojikti they have stepped in now center says changsil lakre maruda leremiba arambai se they are not anti-social people they are working for koigi imale baksi damakta mokoi se kulai pairaga leramba sida and this is their I don't know whether they are judgmental ko moi judgmental oibro oidabra di khangde perhaps they are convinced that time has come ai koina
adu kaga I am very short ni ko kaga am ten khumbiro ai mathang kaga na bogi sodong se jage and before that in biren chief minister oingai matam da arambai gi maike di sung step am logida baze why kari gi den khan bi
madugi matam sigi porsida aikoi gi motivation am khak changi leadership to gi leadership hai bar the collective ni koina haijari se because there is a government ko adunga sahare aikoi gi public order di state government tuna state masaduna madu maintain to godabani ngak chendana legedabani adu orgadi madugi potu failure makak leire haidana ni hojik state ngasai gi center sina sangsil ese union government step in tore aise constitutional requirement na makoi gi duty to discharge tore inebako so before they are stepping in and ki suspended animation si toroga aikoi gi center na moi gi union gi mathau do tawba horage adana sangsil electric ngai matam dadi perhaps they felt the need for their presence at the strategic locations aduda my presence to darkar lady haiba male
thank you very much a very analytical and convincing point me am thambirame ai kaga da laksaning bazi hojik congress party gi magi premises of the argument ji masi biam gi lanthung ngak pangamdre miam gi punsi kan mangamdre habagi wafum si kamai yeng masi argument ji makoina
madu ngamda ba dunani hojiki suspended animation lies that justifies the action of the union government aduna ngasai na haijerba constitution da yaurisi responsibility 3 levels the pibani first hairisi state nangi na thoni ko public order maintain to buse si ai ko ajan se then again karigumba duna ngamdra bordi it is the duty of the union government to protect the state now magi step in to redna silai report se in case masida lakpasida ama kakka siga overlapping to provision nama yauri president na state ki functions and powers si assume to godavani to herself aduga lebak si governor the scenario kana magi on her behalf hire singa si dika maruda state si govern to godavani haiba si report se ngasai ekoi gi kanona anchor na hangkiba kanda akoi governor si Kashmir su Jammu and Kashmir su handle tormi haibagi haipet madu apprehension must reflect to mali article 370 abrogation to budugi yes that was a temporary provision of the constitution we understand that adu eraga su maruda Aziki aina sung khanjari badi andake arambai gi haire koina adu arambai haibagi mohta edi youth hairage ka akoi gi manipur gi youth sina kulai paira kanda imaleba ngakani na tholok pagida why they have started laying down their weapons governor this sinre ibo porse masi yamna akoi gi understanding amaka bridging the gap never sanga ibo porse aduna aina thajabadadi sometime back numit kharani gi mamangda aikoi gi BJP gi leader amakhakna manipur da laamba matamda magi salam daida manipur gi integrity sida akaiba ama fawb leibe yaroi sungkhai tugairoi haibase mana mayamda social media da natraga akoi gi public da phajana khangalami message se perhaps he was not competent to make that kind of statement ko magi responsibility di natia but he made it very clear but again ekoi ge governor su madugi port se masigi wafam se aina hans my hans ni ko aina thajajabe se governor amasung ekoi ge CSO singi organization gi leader singa chatliba then again ekoi gi yamna youthful loiba team sina mamaliba ki kannen chatliba singsiga maga unagi ba port se masida ekoi mangonda thajaba pirangbani manipur gi integrity se intact laini sungkai kairoi habese ai governor na masigi thajaba se soidan maki pirangbani habese masi aina khanjabani ko then again Jammu and Kashmir dadi magi si union territory on thokre Ladakh and the Jammu and Kashmir ado article 370 abrogate tokre mudat kre mangre but aikoi gi manipur dadi it seems union government su then aikoi ge governor atai functionary loina makse convinced to mali the reality of gi manipur gi geopolitical reality of manipur se understand to mali convinced to mali why I am saying this maram di ai ngarang han sei kano gi social media de soina dum share to ai opinion se ko karigino geopolitical reality se ignore to be yaroi hari besige mesige argument sida 8% of the territory state ki territory se 8% of the territory se valley the lere and all across the all around haitareko all around manipur se the 92% of the hills ki areas in a question legal labor se the masai gi kashmir gi exercise do dispensation do madu akoi gi se the apply to viable oiba solution sugoi oiro then again aikoi ge si merger agreement se 1949 gi se maharaja si sovereign authority ama oina aikoi ge dominant government to ge governor general duga ani si ge agreement ama kak makoina tawbu matam sida maharaj na manipur si bharat sarkar da sinarage madune hena farani haibagi moment si yodringe gi matam da yamna black and white ta fazana iraga thami agreement to the in the best interest of the Dominion government ki and at the same time ekoi gi maharaja ge koi gi manipur sigi aduga ani sige masigi best interest ta manipur gi se ekoi gi maharaja na bharat sarkar da sinnabani have se agreement to the yauri then again ekoi sumbai agreement sing se law gi tongan ba supreme court na karina pass to badu judgment lerang godo budu deina professional natabani na thirudre but constitution da masigi kano se intention je phajana manipur gi lehenabagi se ina pyramid na khanjabse sumba merger agreement ka hariba manipur na bharat tilak matamda agreement namagi makhada that too between the maharaja of manipur and the governor general of the dominion asigi togo matam sida adugi matung ina mana bharat sarkar da sinnigi badu port se masi sida karigumba hojik maram wedana demand for separate administration gaina kahel lakani gahe bagi sumba conflict se lakpa tarabordi even masi court of over chalakanda bichar to by any court bichar to go yadi haiba thadi I understanding the land be I masi sokpa yadu port amani ko haiba se yes asigi port se masi yaw mali then again bharat ki samvidhan sida amuka phajana yam phajana piriwa article 1 oirongani Madhya Yauba Schedule 1 do the Amuka Manipur gi territory se karino have se define fazana to define to budu the yauri report se Bharat ki Samvidhan leitringai da India ki constitution itself se masi pok tringai matam da layamba Manipur gi territory dunia na define to heriba adu arbor di Manipur gi aina geopolitical reality se masigi territorial integrity have a port se sok ba yade have se union government as well as aikoi gi governor su masi phajana yamna hibe expert ngaktanina masi phajana makoi khanglaba mali aduna aina kanjabadadi aikoi gi hojik leriba conflict se masida yes aikoi na ngak pangamdabadagi life and property ngak pangamdabadagi aina sai haikiba total anarchy lawlessness aduguma new kind of war have a poto asigi port se lakku matam sidani aikoina sida koina manipur da sangsil laiba port se aduna manipur gi sida conflict triangle sida sumba conflict triangle ma laiba sida amukka hena ngasai gi ada jammu kashmir gi situation ga manipur gi situation ga yamna khenagani naga gi demand leri 2015 da framework agreement Bharat Sarkar ga tawgra matung da that to during the time of kogi Modi gi matam niko maruda gi torga flag torakana tawbesina hajik phaw resolve to the lairi bini hajik se ko adugi then again ai koi su gi kangbu su kuki gi kangbu su madugi su agreement se 2005 Assam Rifles ka hauroga government of India yawbase 2008 werngoni maside yawra kanda muk torakpada adu su flag torakanda thamiba port amakhakni then ngasai in haijariba agreement ta sangakpa sovereign authority ama kakna sindaramba port se constitution adu masana protect togone haiba sigi port si lakpanda geopolitical reality se 8% hundo amakanda 92% khaido akanda Jammu Kashmir gi asumba solution modality se masi tawda viable sungoi oide sungoi oiroi akoina masi kiningai family
okay kaka ai question nama lakchake kaka na ngasai hairamba institutional collapse aduga ekoi whole government gi machinery mayam state ki establishment gi leriba all power and authority mayam se loina demoralize torok degenerate torok gi matang amakhak lake masi congress party ni am kanna masi hairakhi bezi especially AICC ki level dagi president rules demand torok lake the resignation of hanagi then chief minister N Biren my resignation tawgadu bune have si to demand mo in lake amasu manipur da president rule thamgadu bune have so wafam oiki lady wafam sigi makha tarakpada hojik president rule manipur impose toraba matung dagi di amuk Manipur gi oina especially Manipur gi Congress Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee gi oina retract tokhiba decisions the president rule say support of the popular government am laigado buni have gi wafam oina nauna lakhiba je why hana conflict sigi manung da president rule am kan demand toramaga hoje president rule je am impose toraba matung da ngasai gi hana demand toraba president rule se nathairaga hoje amu hana magi decisions retract toraba man kari
Madam Bandi, Equi India sing a city republic ni. Han Equin and Ninkata 1947 gi, August Kitantara Mangada, it was not a republic. Haiti Praja Singi rule to Godoba, Aduma Makalgi, Prajana Kanjaba Makogi mute sing duna Sashan to heaven. Aduna Equi president na Magi powers and functions of the state government say assume to Selera Kanda, La Eva Port City, this is for a limited purpose Kapagini. Masina yam sang thana sarkar paibe yaroi aduna hojiki sida crisis situation ama khak leiba sida constitutional failure leiring gi marak sing sida masigi normalcy do restore tona na ba honara ko matamda adugi dispensation se bharat ki संविधान न फजना पिरम में हरि बको और दनी स्टेप इन तो अकांद लेरी विशेष लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल दिस कोई लॉयर ने है न खंगनी आई कोई की सीधा सस्पेंडेड एनिमेशन हाइवे पोर्ट से हजी पार्लियामेंट लाकदोरिसी मार्च के तांग तरा की मतुंग द मुंबई स्टेशन फमकदोइनी इन केस मधु की पोर्ट से पार्लियामेंट थमद्रगदी असी नलिफाई तो रका नमाई मतम से लुई दोरिने हरि बको सो देयरफॉर आई कोई की सीधा सोयदनमकी आई कोई की Republic having everything covered because it will be the elected person singi praja singi mute singna ekoi democratic oiba mawongda ekoi shasan togadabani have se ekoi constitution na pira kanda leibani na aduna ekoi elected person sing se moi gi position se mu ngamdragadi then we will try we'll go in for a new mandate had is
kakana huzik why congress na popular government na kai gi pamino democratic aspiration mayam democratic spirit mayam do thamna ba hai will be simply justify tore but kaka da in hangjining especially Congress party da hangjining go question sina political position ani je Congress party na change tawbagi masigi justification se kaino
no if because Congress aina sum ningsing jaba kanda ko Congress ki leiriba position akogi 5 legislators sarisi to be very specific mokoi na hai ki report di we are ready act now akoi kari tawsi ge habise hairo either we resign in case akoi na masigi akoi ge constitution si ngak tana to dana akoi gi sida law and order maintain to ngamdraba constitutional failure le rebor di akoi hairo akoi su yaurage na koi gi mating pangage
including phamda
yes and then again adugi da akoi gi constitution gi darkar gi matung ina 10 sitting MLAs including ministers ko maduna makoi dana akoi gi wasa kanda constitution gi required over provision of gi makha da makoi na wasa air kanda aina bharat ki संविधान से ngakna satkani unity and integrity se masigi pajana strengthen tonana ba lehanna ba hona ba kanda aisi madugi damak ta thabak togani hedana out of office mogi wasak pa matam da leigri baduna separate administration haidana masi tonga na putora kanda manipur gi integrity da masigi akai ba lakadorege haiba matam si lakpa kanda di maruda leiriba government do madugi coalition government haibitare ko or NDA haisira natragan double engine gi saruk ama haisira asigi portsina ngamakta matam dane ba congress na haigri badudi aina ai understanding da asi oraga di noi ngamdraga di karikanani haibane ba adu di moina hairise we talk about PR all the time it is not PR as such the constitution they am clearly prescribed to rakanda labor procedure amakhak neba karigum laibak amakhak ak pasida constitutional failure lakpa matam du oira kanda di ekoi masigi thabak se togodabani even union government no bhau attack ngakpa ngamakta matam degi di sida sinagadabni gain torkan ngasi president na loksilakanda magi representative and governor na act to risni hariba ko to adwardi position change to bogi natte because it was a different situation.
Okay, it was a
today,
different situation.
Today it is another situation we are facing.
Okay.
Aduna the position shift to bogi port na tenkali. But again, aina masidat aina thamning bamatam da aina haijari se. Aikoi we talk about FMR ko. Sige mapanda gi lagpagi sakpong sa singi free movement se. Free movement si sida tauba yararoi habisi Bharat Sarkar gi policy ma laiba port se masi misinterpret to lan gani hab
okay
it is just a policy
okay
maram di aikoi gi integrity adagi peace ka asumba mayam se tangai fadana masi gi security gi requirement policy amani masi gi tangai fadaba se but now aikoi gi sida hare isi we have Naga brothers sisters ko living around the border ka then again Kuki friends and brothers sisters moiso kuigi they are all our brothers and sisters living together natra asigi porsi lakpa kanchida ai goi boundary fencing to be yaroi gahri ba porsi lakwanda India gi leiriba magi integrity se India gi territory se natraga India gi democratic institution mayam se masigi thugai gedna torukpagi infiltration illegal infiltration singba mayam ama lakpa tarabordi we should not try to asigi FMR hairi report se free movement regime hairi report siga then our brothers and sisters across the border kugi samin sathok sasin gi maduda kai belairani hai report ani se segregate tawning e idi
okay
otherwise ai kugi India gi security India gi leiriba democracy republic se kanbani hena tangai for that is why FMR is just a policy matter
okay thank you very much ai mathang je koi kaga supplement amathang tonu male kaga he please go ahead
ai na sai sum panjaki ba kanda conflict triangle le ba ko se naga gi lere then koi gi valley gi interest group ama lere then again andak the torai ba kuki gi sigi conflict triangle sidadi
yes
yamna peace and yamna violent web situation the karamaina conflict si resolve to the case gi yamna kan research to ba tongan ba across the world moi experts in but at the same time koi manipur gi situation si da in addition to ngasai gi conflict triangle gi ai ngasai panje gi hum dui matak ta su hojik si ai koi gi civil war ga chak manaba ai koi gi civil society ki voice am su la even ko maduna blending am to no su honor even ko to asigi situation si da di ai koi na darkar de besi yamna way forward the only solution the way forward the inclusive oiba people gi peace se masi koi gi conflict triangle sigi signe maroina aina masi gi context de ni koi ni hajari se madu porok panatraga de imposition to we are maram di adagi central government po hire su state government po hire su aduna ai koi na koi da si to sina shanti oira do bani masina peace ni ko masina unity ni ko haida na koi da piwa sungya yaroi maduna masigi matang sida experts in nei na base this is a democratic country this is a republic people's government ni le base people's ki lairiba representatives sing duna shasan toba adugumba praja gi shasan toba number republic sia de self determination haiba pot se self determination si yamna la na artha handok pasu ekoi gi autonomy loge hairibra secession tongan sakrage hairibra gaina adugi spirit to the nataba aina sa hairiba people's peace harise ko aduna in case ekoina manipur gi problem si the conflict triangle se address torga solutionship puraksi na haiba tarbor di beyond authoritarian state set krakanda ekoi gi praja singna local gi people yaudabada ekoi gi peace si conflict resolution da masi factor oi report ase masi porok pasungya yaroi aduna ekoi self determination haiba porsa tenate praja yaholu and that to local people se moi involved to rakanda sarkar ne impose to wadu makal gi foreign body man hetla akanda sini ko na koi gi aidana solution ama pibadu di yaroi manipur gi soidana masi gi port sida lakani ekoi we should be very optimistic ekoi optimistic note amada yamna positive web note amada aina loisal haningdana masi pose suggest to bani conflict triangle the people's peace yam darkar lei
but that should be inclusive
that should be
inclusivity sina main oidragadi exclusive agenda amada kana ko mu khara ki pen aba tawru madamda maduna hena asoiba ra ma yam lakpe ai but conflict triangles is the stakes ma yam yauri moi mayam sigi inclusive oiba ekoi gi
people's peace
yes masi people's peace il and changi habani on this positive note ekoi punama optimistic oiba habasina amata ngai ekoi lambini hope is the only way to resolve ai badare conflict gi